Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we're gonna see the where the crypto market gonna works for this week guys. Hope you are doing well, and you can see here guys some of the trend line I have already drawn. You can see here continuously taking here from here and here taking a resistance. Okay guys, here it is acting as support. You can see here first, second, third. Okay guys, right now what we have to see right now is that I will just clean it up. So if it will once again take resistance and came down somewhere here or broken from here only, you can expect a huge momentum in upside momentum guys. This will be the first target, this will be the second target, this will be the third target, and your fourth target will be, just a second guys, your fourth target will be somewhere here guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum for this week guys. Okay, if it continuously consolidate and broken and take from here only somewhere resistance, you can expect your huge fall from here guys. Okay, we can switch it on a 4 hourly time frame so we can get the better idea and gooder picture in the bigger market. So we can switch it on a 4 hourly time frame. You can see here guys, our first target mainly is this area. Okay guys, this area will be our first target. Next target will be somewhere here, and our third target guys. Okay guys, our fourth target will be somewhere here. You can fully book your whole quantity somewhere here only. Okay guys, I am telling you very much consciously guys, please book your whole profit from here only. If you have something happened somewhere here, you have taken a short position. Okay guys, somewhere here only taken resistance and coming downside, then your first target will be a second, third, and exactly from here only 17,600 or 17,700 only you have to book your whole quantity guys. Okay guys, we can why I'm telling you is that because the buyer are so much dominating from here. If this is broken and then it goes on a consolidation, that is the good sign for us. So we gonna talk in next week, but right now it's a better place that you have to exit from here only. 17,700 will be enough, and upside momentum also very huge momentum will came. Okay guys, so we gonna see the next pair is that Ethereum. Okay guys, in Ethereum you can see here guys, what happened is that here continuously taking a resistance. Okay guys, right now what I'm saying is that here is the one of the trend line what I have drawn right now. Okay, this will acting as one of the major supporting area. You can see here this will be the acting as a major supporting area. Okay guys, so it will goes upside momentum, take resistance and came downside, and this is broken and taken support or not, it make price action, then you can easily reach your first target will be somewhere here guys, second target will be somewhere here, and third target, and your fourth and final target guys. This will be the fourth and final target. Okay guys, hope you are getting all the ideas what I am telling you. Okay guys, if it will continuously consolidate and broken and taking downside momentum, then you can expect your first target guys, then you can achieve your second target guys. Okay guys, you can goes up till here guys, third target, you can get it very huge momentum also come. This will be the third target. If this will broken, then you can expect your fourth target till here guys. Okay guys, these are the some of the target for Ethereum guys. I have also told you about the Bitcoin guys. Hope you can like this video guys and you have enjoyed it, and if you wanted like this more and more videos and need a trading ideas, you can check out my analysis also. I have told you so many small points about it, so you can get the clear picture about it. And also I have told you some of the ideas from here also, and I have told you also the thing is that I have told you also made a dedicated video on price action, trend line, all of those you can check out there, and you can become a one step more closer to become a trader and successful trader guys. Okay.